Welcome to the React tutorial, the complete guide in 2023. Here we're going to understand why is there a need to learn React in 2023. So, are you new to web development and interested in learning about React? Well, React is a popular JavaScript library used for building user interfaces. Here we are on the official documentation of React, react.dev, and it just got updated. Now, this is a very good tool if you want to understand all the complexities and all the topics that are covered in React, but it is not that beginner friendly because when a beginner is going directly to the documentation, you get confused and jumbled up like where to start from. So in this series, we are going to learn React from basic to advanced, and we'll take a little detour in the beginning towards the JavaScript. We're going to refresh our JavaScript. We're going to learn some basic and important concepts in order to be very, very efficient while working in the React. Now, why you should learn React? Well, React introduces and gives us a component based architecture. What is a component? Like you will ask, like what is a component? A component you can understand is a reusable piece of code. Let's say if I create a button like this, like as you can see, this learn React button. Now, if I create a button, let's say I create a like button, that like button will be a component in itself, and that like button will be reused throughout the application. Like if I'm building an application like Instagram or Facebook, that like button can be reused, and I don't have to write the code again and again. I'll just create a component, I'll create a button in that, and I'll reuse that component whenever and wherever I'll feel like it. So React gives us the ability to minimize the imperative approach of programming. Now, what is imperative approach of programming? Vanilla JavaScript or basic JavaScript works on the imperative approach. It means it is like any other programming language. You, by line, you give the instruction what you want it to do next, and it will do it. So if you are going to create an application which is totally HTML, CSS, and JavaScript driven, it will be a lot of code in a single file or in multiple files, and it is hard to manage. Now, React gives us the good folder structure to divide thus our application into the different folders. Now we are going to see how the React folder structure works, but before that we're going to understand some concepts, some key concepts in JavaScript. Thank you.